Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss an important topic which is equipotential surface and its property. So here I have made a diagram in which a charge plus q is concentrated at the center of a sphere and the potential at a point which is r distance from the center of this sphere is given by v is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. And equipotentials, so this and this are the equipotential surface, means at any point on this surface the potential will be same. Similarly for this, the potential at any point of the surface will also be same. So this is called an equipotential surface, or we can say all sphere centered on plus q are equipotential surface. Suppose we are drawing in another sphere. So all the points on this sphere are also equipotential. Now coming to the next, that what are the properties of equipotential surface. So coming to the first property, no work is being done in moving a charge from one point to another point in an equipotential surface. No work is done in moving a charge between any 2 points in an equipotential surface. This is so because the potential between any 2 points on the surface is 0. As we know, W is equals to Q delta V, but here the potential is same, so the value of delta V is equals to 0, means W is equals to Q into 0, or W is equals to 0. This is the first property of an equipotential surface. Now coming to the second property, the electric field is always perpendicular to the element dl of equipotential surface. As we know, no work is done on equipotential surface, so WAV is equals to minus integration a to b E dot dl is equals to 0, means E dl cos theta is equals to 0. Now as E can't be 0, dl can't be 0, so cos theta will be equal to 0. If cos theta is 0, this means theta is equals to 90. Or we can say the electric field is always perpendicular to the element dl of equipotential surface. Now the third property of equipotential surface is this, that equipotential surface indicates region of strong and weak electric field. As we know that electric field is the negative gradient of potential, so E can be written as E is equals to minus dV upon dr. Or dr can be written as dV upon E, minus dV upon E. As it is an equipotential surface, means the value of dV is constant, so dr is inversely proportional to 1 upon E. It means if E is stronger, then R will be small, and if E is weaker, then R will be greater. If E is strong, dr will be small, means separation of equipotential surface will be smaller. Means if the lines are very close to each other, they are showing the strong electric field, and if it are very far, then it is showing the strength of electric field is weaker. And the another property of equipotential surface is that two equipotential surfaces cannot intersect each other. It is so because if two equipotential surfaces intersect each other, then at the point of intersection there will be two directions of electric field, which is impossible.